Let's see how to add a policy. Click on the Add Policy button. Fill in the required details in the policy form. Click on the Save button to add the policy. After adding the policy, once the agent is installed on any device, the added policy will be displayed on the user's laptop, desktop inside the agent application under the Notification tab. The user can read the policy and provide acceptance. Policy status. If the user accepts the policy, the status will appear as Accepted under the Reports section. If the user does not accept the policy, the status will appear as Acceptance Pending under the Reports section. In this case, the IT administrator can request the user to accept the policy. Now let's see how to export and view policy details. Go to the Reports section. Select the member. If you want to see the status of all users, simply click on the Export button. The file will be downloaded in Excel format. Open the Excel file to view the policy status of users, such as accepted or acceptance pending.